Sustainability is more than just a buzzword. It is a framework for how we manage resources to ensure long-term stability and growth. At its core, sustainability is about balancing what we take today with what we leave for tomorrow. Global resource consumption has tripled in the last 50 years, which is why investors are paying closer attention to sustainable business practices. Sustainability is built on three pillars: environmental impact, social responsibility, and transparent corporate governance. Together, these form the basis of ESG investing. While traditional models often chase immediate quarterly gains, a sustainable approach prioritizes enduring value and resilience against future market shifts. We can see this shift in energy markets, where renewable sources are capturing an increasing share of the global power grid each year. Remember, sustainability isn't just about charity. It is a strategic approach to managing risk and identifying growth in a changing global economy. Understanding these trends helps you make more informed decisions. Subscribe for more money basics and keep learning every day.